Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something new from Maruchan. This is their Maruchan Gold soy sauce. So this is basically a US version of Maruchan Ramen Shoyu from Japan. This actually is made in Japan, but for sale in the US. So there's a couple changes to it. One, I'm sure, is that it does not contain pork. Importing pork is like, I don't know, pulling teeth from a tooth hoarder. And one thing you'll notice too, see? Japanese. So let's take the noodle block and drop it on in. This is a fancier brand or fancier range in Japan. And 3 minutes. So how's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. I am doing well myself. I'm doing so well, I'm in the mood to poke things, chop them. Indiana today. So, nice weather. The last 3 days I've done, what, 100,000 steps on my stepper. Oh. And my feet hurt, you know. But whatever. Not a problem. It's funny, I like never use chopsticks. Except when I'm somewhere out. And this is a nice little pair of chopsticks. It has a little grippy grabs in the front and a little, looks like Sakura on the back. But yeah, honestly, for stirring, I like forks better. Unless I have a pair of those serving chopsticks, which I don't. You ever seen those? You go to a big dim sum joint and they'll have serving chopsticks. They're like that long. They're big. More like cooking chopsticks too. We've got 40 seconds left. So yeah, Maruchan's got a couple things that they sent me. One, they sent me this shirt, which I'm like, thank you. It's like really hard for me to get clothes lately because I don't know exactly what size I am. And this is an XL shirt. I haven't worn an, I know. Yeah, I think the first shirt I got that was bigger than large was a 2X, so I don't know that I've ever had an XL shirt that fit. That's progress. And they sent their other Maruchan Gold flavor, which is spicy miso, as well as some, like, I think it's like just called fire yakisoba. That I am fascinated by. I did successfully do a mukbang the other day of something ultra spicy, so that's a plus. They got 2 different kinds of spicy stuff that they sent, so we'll see about giving those a try. And we stir. Smells good. Let's have a look at this. Ooh, pretty broth. Nice and oily. Look at that. Outstanding. Let's try the noodle. Okay. Noodle has a nice chew. The broth has a nice body to it. That's good. That is a nice shoyu. I think that's definitely an apt idea to send that product of their noodle lines that are more traditional over. I think people will like that. Alright. Let's see. There we go. Get everything kind of go in the same direction. There we go. Yeah. What are we going to do today? We're going to start out with some egg. There's some egg. That actually went pretty well. I'm okay with how that egg's looking. Let's see, can you even see it? Yeah, that's all you can see. Cool. Okay, so there's our egg. I'll do the chashu next because I know everybody likes chashu. Well, I shouldn't say everybody likes chashu. My brother doesn't like chashu. And some mung bean sprouts, and I'm going to do them like nice and straight ones. So yesterday I did this new, actually it was a Nissen variety, and I was really into it, and I was really hungry. So I get done with the video, and what do? I started eating it before I took all the good pictures. Oh my God, no! No, there's a better spot for you. There's a place for you in the noodle bowl. A place for you to be in the noodle bowl. There's some onion. You could be right there if you like to be in the noodle bowl. I'm gonna do a little bit of the spicy chili oil. You've seen me use this a lot lately, but I really like it. bit of this. I don't have a lot of it left, but it's a special occasion for this one. So this is Hachi Habanero Shichimi. And I really like it, but it sucks because I don't have a lot of it. And some seeds. Gotta have a few seeds. We'll do them right across, right about here, I think. And I think that is a winner. Let's give it another glam look. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Check these out. You can find them at Walmart. Yeah. All right, have a good one. Bye.